Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add zoom in effects on CapCut PC. So here I've already on CapCut and actually a lot of you asked me about the 3D Zoom Pro, but unfortunately in CapCut PC the style feature and of course the 3D Zoom Pro is not available yet. And yeah, I hope that the CapCut will upgrade the apps and provide the style also in the CapCut for PC. And meanwhile, if you want to add the zoom in effect, you can just go to effects actually, and then here just find basic, this one's right here, and there are so many zoom in effects that you can choose. So there is this diamond zoom that will go like this, and the zoom in you can also use okay, I'm going to find one. Okay, so there's a mini zoom here. Just click on this download first and then add it to track and it'll go like this. But you can also adjust the speed like so. So it'll go slow, and also there are other options to go with zoom. Okay, which one is it? Okay, so here there's also the zoom lens. I think this one is close enough to the zoom and effect. It'll go like this, and you can also adjust the speed and also the range. Okay guys, so that's basically how you can add zoom in effect in CapCut for PC. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.